Busy Tokyo streets, Shibuya, trains, flashing lights. Tokyo, a city that never sleeps, but hidden between its noise and neon are quiet worlds that locals quietly protect. Hidden Tokyo begins narrow lane leading to a calm neighborhood. Old homes, small plants, bicycles parked outside. Step a few streets away, and everything changes. The sound fades, the pace slows, and you discover the Tokyo that doesn't try to impress you. It simply is. This is where real life still happens. Kagurazaka's cobblestone alleys, once home to geisha houses. Koishikawa Korakuen Garden, one of the oldest, calmest green spaces in Tokyo. A tiny tea shop run by an elderly owner, pouring matcha with care. Walk through Kagurazaka, where old stone paths and wooden doors whisper the city's past. Find peace inside Koishikawa Korakuen, where seasons paint the same landscape differently each month. Or share quiet tea at a shop with no English sign, where time slows down, one cup at a time. Real places, real peace. Slow motion shots, ripples on water, a temple bell, lanterns lighting up at dusk. These aren't places on tourist maps. They're feelings, moments that locals hold dear. Places that remind you that even in the busiest city in the world, there's always a pocket of calm waiting to be found. Sunset over rooftops, you walking quietly down a side street. If you ever visit Tokyo, look beyond the crowds. Wander, listen, and let the city show you its hidden side. This is Traveling with Beatris, finding peace and truth in the world's busiest places.